and get a signature by the Venezuelan president. Now,
après Maduro me dit que Maduro là monsieur qui puis bon bagage qui me prend type SpongeBob que Jack fait pour moi mal bay Maduro aussi pour mal dire nèg yo me te ouais Maduro pour tout bon man.
I'm a true American patriot, right? But you gotta understand, I'm not a politician, neither am I a president.
Political.
I'm not political.
Yeah.
So me being
Hey yo, bambo, avant boy soit sambal ba wa men amateur American men, son vrai américain.
Moi non politicien.
Ma politicien même son vrai américain. Pour pas prendre ça mal, on connaît que peut-être nous avons un conflit avec nèg yo. Pour si me dit mi c'est amis pour yo venir dans boudam. Mati, ça est
6ix9ine moi. Vinn ba nou kek dossier, on politique là.
Soit à chercher bon Maduro, ba connaît CIA, FBI, TIA, FBA, TTEA, tout nèg ça besoin.
I was with the Honduras president. Remember, he just got pardoned by Trump.
That's right.
So, and he spoke about me. So, literally, I just thought me getting a signature by the Venezuelan president is legendary.
Yeah, it is.
And, got it. And then he was telling me.
So, signati et président vénézuélien, ça, m'gagne, man. Ça legendary, man. You know, pas tout le monde qui gagne ça, man.
Caro jazz na cool.
Un bel dans prison, c'est pas dans prison, pas ta blonde, non?
Oui. Dis-moi, Dieu sait.
How, when he got arrested, how the American army just fucking it's crazy.
Wait, so you?
Yo, président, t'as bon histoire, Jean, how you got arrested, Jean, American army just swarm him. Même si ça bon histoire, Jean, les nèg yo vinn pour américain, vinn prendre yo couvrir. Mati, man. Président t'as bon tout dit.
Bah de 6ix9ine, but
président do nèg yo te fait dans boudal, man.
How many convos did you have with him?
So we had. I don't want to bug him. Like, I don't want to seem like a fan of that little girl. Because as soon as he came.
Man, j'en parlais à 6ix9ine, man. Combien de conversations t'es fait avec ça, man? Man, yo, m'pas de m'aider, nèg là. On prend, m'pas de paraître comme si on t'y bousait. Chaque même elle m'a demandé des questions. But.
Man, like, I was like, yo, like, whatever you need, like, because. Alright, so my bed is neon.
Il est toujours dit, monsieur, yo, man, dit président, whatever you need, man. Qu'est-ce que tu as besoin, man? 6ix9ine, madame.
ça.
Parce que, bon, Dieu, cabane, monsieur, right?
Yeah.
And literally, I swear to God, like, on Easter, I'm not gonna lie.
Cabane, monsieur, yo, on Easter, I swear to God, monsieur, man, t'es bon, bon, ça te passe, man.
The end of my bed is neon, and the start of my bed is Maduro.
What?
Hey, yo, m'pas man, si, man. Yo, me cabane, quand on nous chita là, me cabane Maduro, quand neon chita, et puis me cabane, me quand on chita.
Hay dit, man, monsieur qu'a just voye, man, il faut appeler Maduro.
Oui.
Ça, jolly.
Yeah, like, he took my bed last year, and I took Diddy's bed.
Oh, you took Diddy's bed.
Oh, he took my bed last year.
Ça veut dire,
Année passée, cabane me te gain pour année passée, hein. Il prend, et moi-même, moi pour cabane pour Didi. Oh, regarde là, regarde où c'est.
Yeah.
Were there any cum stains?
I mean, I don't know, but it was a lot of tape and shit.
Oh my God.
So I took Diddy's bed, and Maduro slept, like, right across from me.
I see.
I saved that for your stream.
That's awesome. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
How did Maduro smell?
No, he smelled great. Well, he smelled like shit when he first.
How did Maduro smell? Monsieur me dit, comment, qui sent Maduro again, man? Maduro smell great, man. Maduro, monsieur gen bon sent. Tale, aïe, Maduro senti caca.
Came out the box, like the turret.
He came out the box parce que tu mets monsieur dans boîte, when you te mettre pour côté les nèg bagay,
Yeah.
PC, man. You mettre le PC, smell like shit. Il senti caca avec.
Yeah.
But then, he was able to get time to take a shower and stuff like that.
Man, he was able to take time, take a shower, shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Après, monsieur clean, monsieur bien. Monsieur me senti bon, man.
But then I was like, yo, you want to eat rice and pork? Like, you know what I mean?
Après là, me dit, yo, man, ça te passe, man. You want to eat rice and pork? Me dit, Maduro, ça te gagne. Me dit, avec viande cochon, pour bail.
Eu quando disse 6ix9ine.
Oh, le free Maduro dit avec cochon, you know?
Pork on my fork.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Is it okay to keep our hands here?
Oh my God, bro.
Wait, what?
We f***ed up with bacon.
Why?
Bro, I read the Bible, and it actually says that Christians don't eat pork either.
They don't. You didn't know that?
Bro, I didn't know that.
Hold on. All my Christians in the chat. Is that
Yo,
true?
Bro, yes, it's in.
Yo, bro, I read the Bible. They say Christian don't eat pork, man. Ma pli Bibla pendant nan prison de gen ti tam li, man. Yo di ke chrétien pa manje viande cochon.
Wa chrétien, non, gon parti.
C'est vrai?
Gon parti non. Mwen kwa adventiste, pa manje viande
Eh,
cochon.
mais yo di Christian, chrétien, man. Manje viande cochon. Red.
Ah, mwen, men.
Grillé, là, man.
Deja le fè assez pour ça, man.
Oh, shit. Bravo, beaucoup content.
It said that we're not supposed to eat any animal that has his legs like a two-handed leg.
Yeah. No one can eat pork.
It says that. Yo,
Yep.
guys.
Hey, yo, Bibla dit you're not supposed to eat an animal that had his legs like two-handed. Et Bibla dit depuis on bête qui gen zong pied, ka couper cochon pas ka comprendre ni, faut dire gen des ongles à cochon pas ka manger. Ouais, cochon gen des orteils.
Oui.
Yo pas ka manger. Qui bête qui gen comme ça? Cochon, poule,
Mba honan.
poule gen 3 doigts, oui. Poule gen 4.
Pour gen ki gen pour 4.
Poule gen 4, oui. Gen 3. Et puis le gen c'est
Un
pour.
petit petit.
Yeah.
It literally
So nou bon nan poule là.
Nou bon. Malgré ça, on sauve, non, on mange cochon. Quand on cherche avantage, pour manger ka retirer nos pères.
Oh, faut boire combien viande fois comme ça.
Ne vi sou premi a rale.
Parce que nous mangeons pile pour lui, base.
Ah, moi, j'ai mangé cochon.
Nous mangeons pile pour lui.
Ah, elle me préfère, moi.
Pile pour lui. Nous bon nan
Manger le
poule là.
blanc. Manger pays.
Nous bon nan poule là. Nous bon de sauver poule là, base. Yo.
say.
No, but the whole chat's saying
No,
no.
but he knows. He's like,
Yeah, but I just found out now.
Yeah.
So who told you that?
Yo, chat dit, tout chat là dit, yo, c'est vrai. C'est a dit, yeah, I just found this out now. C'est kounya m'a pas prendre ça, base.
An old guy that mentored me while I was reading the Bible.
In jail?
Oh, wow.
Man, the old guy that was mentored me when I was reading the Bible. Son vieux nèg, un vieux grand moun qui t'a mentor moi, qui t'a comment on dit mentor?
La balle, bon bête.
Advice, qui t'a bête.
Bail mental.
Oui, you know. De t'a li, you know.
Ok.
Il dit, yo, man, caca ça, on va faire avec. You know what I'm saying? C'est la manger vieille viande ça, quand faut faire ça, et go ça, bah.
Grand moun nan balle bête.
Ben, la balle bête, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So he's like, yo, we're not supposed to eat pork.
That's the Old Testament, which is
So, Gamunan dit, yeah, man, you're not supposed to eat pork, man. Why supposed to manger viande cochon, bas? Et then dit, yeah, je comprends nous, man. But that's the Old Testament. Yeah, c'est vrai, oui. Mais ça y est, ancien Bible là. Au même temps, toujours. Si c'est ancien Bible là.
Oui, non, juste
Ça nouveau Bible là, du cas pour bail.
Oui.
my
Yeah.
So Judaism is the Old Testament.
Yeah,
the
all
New
the
Testament
way to
is
Peace
Christianity.
Psalms, right?
That's right.
All the way to Peace Psalms.
That's right.
And bro, I don't know if you see my post today with Steve. Did you see it?
No.
All
I did see that today. Yeah.
So I read the book of Job, right?
Yeah.
And this
I read the book of Job. Eh ben, c'est tout une religion, ça, non? Monsieur dit Job, oui, one Job? Job.
Oui, moi, je suis dire.
The book of Job, dans la Bible, là, man.
Yeah.
Ou loin, ou men, on dit bien,
Comme ça, on dit, mais pas Job, pas comme ça, on dit, voilà, tu comprends.
Et Job, oui, c'est lui, Job, ça, Job dit, mais...
what I want to say to the chat. Chat.
Ah, mais c'est bon, pas peut-être... Ah, ouais, quelqu'un savait.
Non, pas jouer. Regarde côté le mot réclame.
Like, I was heavy Christian. I was heavy Christian, and let me just get this off. I was heavy
It's your stream.
Heavy Christian.
I was a heavy Christian, man. C'est 100% chrétien, madame, heavy. Tout ça me fait chrétien, man. Les Bibles, tout bagay net.
Going in, but I feel like I came closer to God Thank
Yo, I feel like I came closer to God. But the man, I'm sending people, bon Dieu, man.
Okay.
Oui.
you to everybody who wrote me letters. I have thousands of letters. Literally,
Oh,
like
wow.
I brought it. Like remember when I came on with my Bible, like in that post.
I saw that.
I had mad letters there.
Wow.
That I wanted to say thank you to everybody who wrote me. I read every letter, literally every letter.
E yo, gan pil moun, ouwe, pil papye, pil chan, chawote, soti nan prison avem, se moun ki te kon ap ekri let kosan nan, mpo met nou, mwen li tout. Yo pa gan yon tap fe. Mersi an pil, paske nou te vwe mlet yo, nou pa bliye, men li tout. Ou tap li yo to, oui? Oui?
Nou wagen wak fe, men.
Apre yon de bouda bodo.
Ouais, pour ta bouche, tu vas moi ça, mais il est caca. Bon, casse ou il encore.
Avec,
Pour être sur ta bouche, tu vas moi ça.
avec,
L'enlever les jours pour l'un nuit pour jour, mais comme si il va jamais jouer non, men. C'est mon cher, il moi, le wagon fait, men.
avec, on met des bouda bodo, men, bagay yo tap fe, men.
Mon cher. Quand il y a là, on mettait vos graines, on va appeler le mot. On les ouvre.
Qui let ça? On non let. Mais mon texte vous mais mon texte vous le téléphone il va
Il va
appeler.
appeler moi, il va appeler.
Il dit plus que 1000. Oui. Tout bien écrit ici.
So thank you. But I read the book of Job, right? And you
Yeah, I read the book of Job. Mwen li le livre de Job. Ça Job dit men.
So when alright, so in the book of Job, the devil tells God,
Dans the book of Job, dans livre Job, et the devil tell God, et Satan dit bon Dieu, permettre lui dit bon Dieu qui ça?
God tells the devil, yo, do you see my servant Job?
No, God tell the devil, do you see my servant Job? Non, excusez, bon Dieu dit Job. Bon Dieu dit Satan, est-ce que vous servitem Job? Il commence ça, monsieur.
He literally is like a perfect servant, he serves me well.
Yeah, bon Dieu dit Satan, ouais Job ap gade la, il servi bien, he served me well.
Ok.
Pas mettre des boudal, man.
T'es dans le repos.
Qui te nan repos. T'as l'air, oui, il parle bon game la bola.
The devil said, of course, like you give him everything, you give him like he's rich in that time. You know, rich is
So, Jabla dit, Satan dit, of course, you give him everything. He's rich, he has everything in that time. So, Satan bêtise la, bon Dieu. Satan dit, est normal pour Job c'est vous bien parce qu'on balle tout bagage.
C'est normal, man.
Au ballage.
A bien manger.
Bon bal la bola. Bon game. Ou bal l'argent, ou bal bagay, ou bal terre et des grands nèg. Faut servir.
Ah, mon cher. Ça te comprendre bagaille. C'est là.
Satan, ouais, Satan, ça, men. Satan, qu'après ça, on dit là.
like his living thing, like he has crops, he has animals.
Yeah, kako his living things, he have crops, he have animals. Yeah, j'aime dire là, parce que Job, il gagne la terre produit pour lui, il gagne animal. Les gars,
La bien fonctionne.
oui, man.
Stuff like that. And the devil was like, he has everything, of course, but I bet you take that away, he curses you. And he's like, do as you.
So, the devil say about you, take all of that away, and then he curses you. Et puis, bon, et Satan dit comme ça, bon, font petit paillage avant. Essayez de prendre tout ça, monsieur Gué, pour essayer de pas foutre jour.
S'il va bon, l'autre visage va toi, visage caché. Satan casse mon Dieu, c'est des cerveaux.
Ça est limite, ça, les dans prison. Ouais, ça prison fait rouler.
Oui, mais c'est
Ouais, faut dans la prison pour le chèque. Il va, ouais, d'abord dit chèque. Faut dans la prison pour le bagage ça. Mais game dans boudal.
Please, but just don't touch his soul. Like, don't touch him.
Right.
Like, don't.
Right.
So, you know, he loses all his 10 kids. The devil give him like he's rich in that time. You know, rich is like his living thing. Like he has crops, he has animals and stuff like that. And the devil was like, he has everything, of course, but I bet you take that away, he curses you. And he's like, do as you please, but just don't touch his soul. Like, don't touch him.
Right.
Like, don't.
Right.
So
So,